try it all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was...
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're doing a bake with me. We're making a small batch of carrot cupcakes, perfect for Easter. It only makes 4, which is exactly why I'm going to do it. As you saw, I grated up the carrots and I've preheated the oven. This is pretty simple and the ingredients are minimal because we're only making 4. So I didn't pre-measure anything out. I'm just gonna do it as we go, but I'll try and show you what I'm doing here. The recipe did not have like the icing. It just said to buy icing, so I took that and did that. So I just bought a tub of cream cheese icing, which you'll see me actually put on the cupcakes later. But let's go ahead and start making the cupcakes.
Feeling of being alone, I don't know.
So this recipe was actually really easy. You just put your dry ingredients, not including the sugar, but everything else into a bowl, and you kind of whisk it together with a fork.
I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together.
After whisking the ingredients, I kind of realized I really needed a smaller bowl, or overestimated what size I was going to need for the quantity we were making.
No need to be stressed, gotta take it home, gets there. I really miss the shade of blue.
After whisking the dry ingredients together, you want to create kind of a well in the center of your dry ingredients so we can add the wet in.
Again, for now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
So after you get all the wet ingredients and the sugar in, except for the carrots and the vanilla, you're going to kind of whisk this together with the fork until it's smooth.
In case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, gets there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. From now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
Then you'll add in your vanilla, mix it again to make sure it's really smooth. And then you go ahead and add your carrots, but you just fold these in until they're combined.
But why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far.
Once you're done with the batter, you're going to go ahead and spray your muffin pans really well, or you can use cupcake liners if you prefer. Then you're going to spoon in the batter. It's said to do about 3/4 of the way full.
From now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together.
And then we're going to go ahead and bake them at 350 for about 15 to 17 minutes. They should pass the toothpick test when they come out where the toothpick's clean. That's how you know they're done.
No need to be stressed, gotta take it home, it's there.
Once they're done, I put mine on a cooling rack for about 15 minutes and then remove them and put them on the cooling rack until they were completely cooled, because you don't want to put icing on it, it'll just melt. Once they're officially cooled, then we can go ahead and get our icing ready to go. This is just how I do it when I'm trying to do it on the fly without getting too much out. I try to buy the whipped icing so it's a little easier to work with. And then using a Ziploc bag, I just cut the tip off the corner and then put my icing in it in a cup. But that way it kind of acts like a frosting bag and I can kind of control putting the icing on the cupcakes. This month's Bake With Me for Easter. I really hope you guys have a happy Easter, as you'll see this on the day. I'm not going to taste test it because they're for tomorrow, but I'm trying to get all the rest of the prep done for tomorrow that I need to do. But as always, I hope everybody enjoyed and I hope you have a blessed day.
Usually cry it all.